ዌልካም ኤቭሪባዲ ቱ ሌላ የኢንተርቪው ኤፒሶድ በሁለት በተከታታይ እንግዲህ በዚህ ሳምንት ሁለተኛችን አይ ጌስ ዲስ ኢዝ አወር ሰከንድ ኢንተርቪው ዲስ ጋና ቢ አወር ሰከንድ ኢንተርቪው ነው። ዛሬ እስራኤልን ይዘን መጥተናል። አይ ቲንክ አብዛኞቻችሁ ታውቁታላችሁ፣ ስፔሻሊ ኢፍ ዩ አር አክቲቭ ኢን ኮድ ናይት ፎር a couple of I think like a year ago or a couple of years ago, you might have seen him, but obviously all of you know him from being the CTO of Chapa. So yeah, we're gonna be interviewing him in this episode. Yeah, we're gonna be talking about like his research and stuff before he started Chapa, and what the journey was while they were like creating the early days of creating Chapa and like the early days of it, the technical challenges they faced and stuff like that. We'll be talking about that, and then after that, I think he's also starting a new company, and then maybe we'll talk a little bit about that. So yeah, I saw
Are you?
yeah, I think what was it
Yeah.
called?
Yes, information,
I
man.
feel to say,
Yeah, I saw it on your Twitter, but yeah, so we're gonna be talking about that, and I think it's gonna be a good episode. Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Right.
እንግዲህ ሆምወርካችሁን ሰርታችኋል ብለን እንበልና እንለፈ።
So welcome. Thank you for joining. እንግዲህ በጣም እናመሰግናለን።
Thank you for
Yeah.
having me.
All right.
And really, it's good to be here.
እሺ።
Yeah,
Thank-
actually, like
thank-
we were saying before, the fact that ይሄንኛው ኤፒሶድ እንደምታዩት ያው ቨርቹዋል ሪኮርድ ይደረገ ነው። Yeah, we made an exception like specifically for Israel, for Easy. Yeah, we don't expect this to happen. ለማለት
Thank you. I'm humble. Thank you so much. Well, I mean, to be honest, in person, ቢሆን እኔም ደስ ይለኛል. I think more or less I believe in, it's when you have a conversation, ምናምን, it's about exchanging energy. So I believe in that. Again, it's okay. For now, we take it, ብልጥ የያዘውን ይዞ ያለቅሰው።
Exactly.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
yeah. So just to start off, I guess what was Israel like before Chapa? I guess what were you doing? What were you up to? Not generally, good. Like technology sphere ውስጥ ምንድን ነበር? Like tell us about it.
Man, since ቻፓ almost ጊዜ ታውቃለህ ይሄዳል, right? Even almost ቻፓ license, I think license አግኝተን እንትን ማለት ከጀመረን was I think 2022 አካባቢ አሁን 2025 3 ዓመት አካባቢ ከዛ በፊት almost around 2 years, hanging around 5-7 years. So it's very interesting thing. Before Chapa, I never wanted to do none of this entrepreneurship ምናምን, startup ምናምን. I didn't have የሀሳብ አልነበረኝም. I always wanted to do research. I wanted to be a scientist ምናምን, just writing papers, all that thing. That's just my passion. Building something it's good. Yeah, again, I mean consistently building አንድን ነገር at some point it just gets boring. And not when it's something else is trending, when something else is just doing well, you'll be like, ወደዛ ደግሞ ትንሽ shift ላድርግ ምናምን ትላለህ. So ይሄ like research is like all about that. So you just at some point, especially ልጅ እያለሁ, that helps me to get more and more knowledge ነገር, ከዚህም ከዛም ምናምን, not gonna be just የሆነ ከመጽሐፍም whatever ከስትሪቱም ከሙቪውም ከምኑም ምናምን ታያለህ, then you have some type of thing to navigate around, then but still right before Chapa, I think we were in I was doing research in AI, machine learning. I was mostly I was doing that. Yeah, I was in a research space. I was building. I was working on. I think the first time I started working on AI is when computer vision started in 2013. ምናምን መሰለኝ 2013 አካባቢ. Just to get that started. OpenCV. It's like yeah. I was always obsessed with there's some noise. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't know where it's from.
I don't know.
I thought it was my fan. I couldn't tell you. No,
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, okay.
So I think it was just mostly it was research. It was I was doing research.
Yeah.
You know, experimenting in AI, machine learning, and all this type of things. Publishing papers, manaman, that was my thing. But it's still in the middle. I also wanted to build something.
Mhm.
I was in China. I think in 2016 probably now. So I was just got into this program and I just lab. We wanted lab doing out of, and I like the lab, man. I mean, it was a new topic for me, and I was
Yeah.
doing AI at that time. Like AI was something that I just had in my mind, right? Okay, AI. Even Chapan መጀመሪያ ስንጀምር በቃ any type of problem like I want to throw AI to it.
Yeah.
But it's like when ነገር ሲሆን AI ምናምን. Some of the problems are not for the AI yet. You know,
Yeah.
ገና ቻፓን መጀመሪያ ስንጀምረው first thing we do was AI seminar ነው ያዘጋጀነው between
Okay. Nice.
artificial intelligence center and ምናምን. I remember we even invited Professor Yoshua Benji, right? So we invited him like to give training ምናምን because it was just the thing for me. I was like, okay, I'm like, even the type of AI problem that we wanted to have in Ethiopia was it's like a globalization problem. It's not even 0 to 1 out of it. It's say if you think about like credit scoring, fraud, but it's like somewhere out there. Then it's all about enriching your like that Satan enriched taragala. Then you can fix it, right? And again, obviously infrastructure problem. I but yeah, everybody have a problem, right? Like what makes you a winner is just finding the path, in your problems, right? And there's
Yeah.
so so I was just was doing the AI thing until
So
yeah, go ahead.
no, I was gonna say, so you mentioned that like because you wanted like scientist monster of like Manaman, you are picking up any kind of knowledge you could get like before you got into that email before you actually got into email. So was
Right.
programming one of those skills you picked up along the way, where or was it like email labus kagaba bwala ምናምን ነው like when you actually started programming and stuff?
That's very, very interesting question, the other day I was even asking myself, right? So መጀመሪያ ድሮ ላይ በጣም ድሮ ላይ it was just the electronics thing was ደስ የሚለኝ ነገር,
Oh,
was not programming, right? So until I got PC, right? So then at one point I got PC. I think I got laptop or something. Then then Sayo just gave my Lominamin, but it was just boring. It's just not for me, and game ምናምን ይሄ መጫወት አልችልም ብዙ. I don't have the patience for the game ምናምን ሪል ወርልድ እንዳልሆነ ሳቀው like it's just like ምናምን አለው ታውቃለህ። እና then instead of that just I got obsessed in ያ ጌሙ እንዴት ነው whatever የሚሰራው እንዴት ነው የሚያደርገው ምናምን. So well I was kind of forced to be manually labor የሆነውን let me say engineering work like rocket መስራት መኪና መስራት ምናምን አይነት ከሱ አይነት satellite ምናምን just I wake up one day and I might be like the distance between Earth and Pluto sense አልሰጠኝም, so I have to measure it again ምናምን ላለ just and I build some type of weird thing minimum sense of myself like I get numbers and I just get a fantasy out of it, right? So I mean ያ ነገር ስለነበረ for me now when I get computer just programming naturally የመጣ ነገር ነው. One thing that I just like kind of as a gift ያለኝ ነገር I kind of learned reverse engineering and I check ወደኋላ ማር እችላለሁ ነገር እና so and it's like if I see something how it works ምናምን ቀስ እያልኩ every time when I get I think most of እንደዚህ አይነት especially ያሉ ልጆች የሚሉት ነገር if you get like መኪና ምናምን ከተገዛለት ታፈርሰውና ምናምን you just get the motor ምናምን ዲናሞ ምናምን እና you just put something out of there, right? ወይ ደግሞ ያንን ትልቅ ጎማ እንዲያዞርልህ ምናምን ትፈልጋለህ but you don't know the physics ምንም ያዞርልህ ነገር የለም but you try. So Hmm?
የቤቱን ዕቃ
Oh,
ትጨርሳለህ እንደዛ
sure, man.
ናቹራል የሆነ
I mean, every time. And at some point, until my family, kind of ያውቃሉ ያን እንደማደርግ እና የሆነ ሁለት የመግዛትም ባይሆን ሁለት የመግዛት አይነት ቫይብ አለው። ገባክ? እኔ እንደዛ አይነት በለው እና ያው ሲንስ አበሻ ምናምን መገረፍ አይቀርልም። እንደዛ ስታደርግ አንድ ሁለቴ ስቀምስ መመለስ እንዳለብኝ ያወቅኩኝ፣ አበላሽቼ መቅረት እንዳለብኝ so that was the thing, ነገሩን reverse engineering ካረኩ በኋላ መመለስ አለብኝ. Or sometimes I take things just without damaging the የሚያዩት process, right? So just yeah, እንደዛ ነው። ግን
ሪዲዩስድ ቮልቴጅ ቢሰራም ችግር የለውም። ፊልሙ
የሆነ
ዴኩ ምናምን ቢበላሽ
የምፈልገው ነገር አታጣም። ገባ? የሆነ ስታየው ማስገርም ነገር አታጣም። right? At some point I was thinking transformer አይቼ ይሄ ነገር ሊሆን ይችላል ሜቢ ፕሌኖች ሊያነሳ የሚችለው ግራቪቲ ጋር ምናምን ብዬ I had that just hypothesis just እና እንደዛ ስታየው ኦፕን ስታደርገው የሆነ ነገር ከተመቸ you just think how you're gonna ያን ነገር እንደምትሰርቀው ገባ? ከዛ በኋላ እንደምትሰራው so that's computer programming was not like እንደዛ እንትን ሳይሆን የኔ natural way of learning, and adapt, like in the adapt as a human adapt ታረግ የለ so የኔ generation evolve ሲያደርግ ከኤሌክትሮኒክስ ዋክማን ምናምን ወደ ኮምፒውተር የሆነበት generation ላይ ስለሆነ I'm lucky enough የሁለቱንም expose ለማድረግ so even university ላይ ምናምን I was the other time I was talking to my friend and I was like he's one of very smart guy I know stand up ሚለኝ ነበረ he was saying what is it like ድሮ ላይ ትምህርት ቤት ላይ ምናምን ይሄ ሞተር ምናምን አንተ ትሰራልኝ ነበር ምናምን ይለኛል አለኝና I was like so I was like that ሰዓት ላይ this guy's like if you ask me now I've never thought like I would do something like that because he's smart but again me I'm just ይሄ መንካት መቅጠም ምናምን it's my kind of passion like, when things work it just makes me happy. Right, so ያን አይነት ጊፍት ወይም ፓሽን ካለክ የሁለቱ ጀኔሬሽን ቢትዊን የሚሊኒያል መሆኔ ከዚህ ከዲቪዲ ከምናምን ወደ ኮምፒውተር ሺፍት ስናደርግ የሁለቱም አድቫንቴጅ ያገኙ።
Very interesting.
Nice. Right. I guess that easily evolves into like you becoming a researcher and stuff. So you would just do the same, like we are following the same curiosity, or it's the same intention that's helping you, that's driving you in both cases.
I think so. So I think for me to be a researcher be a massive maybe whatever computer science ምናምን ለመማር I was saying just maybe አንዳንዴ you have this sort of mentality thinking that like you know everything, wait, whatever, just when you're young, right? So maybe it's a wrong ego ምናምን ሊሆን ይችላል. I was like thinking maybe computer science I was coding before that, right? It's like ምን ልማር ምናምን like I just wanted to challenge myself, right? So kind of that's a type of path I chose, but it's still then like engineering ምናምን was good, but for me I think making it when you're on a building kind of maybe was normal, was natural ነገር እና I was thinking everybody ሁሉም አለው ይሄ ነገር ስለዚህ I have to read more, I have to do research more. That's something that makes like people genius, because people I role model and whatever and Einstein ምናምን they like yes, instead of building something they are researchers, like they become with these crazy theories, just now I wanted to be like በቃ ያንን ነገር ፓስ ስለምፈልገው like what እሱ ነው more ራሴን ቻሌንጅ ማድረግ የፈለኩት, because building something it's like I think I know I can build, right? So it's like well, it's easy ነገር, right? So was not easy, but this is not consciously አይደለም ያደረኩት, it's like low-key my brain was like I can build ምናምን what's hard, it's the other part, doing the research, reading, doing the things
discovering,
discovering, right? Like because I mean, literally as humans ምንም ዲስከቨር የምናደርገው ነገር የለም to be honest. Obviously እግዚአብሔር የሰራውን ነገር ነው ኮፒ የምናደርገው from different scale, right? ምንም ዛሬ ፕሌን ብትለኝ ምንም ኳንተም ብትለኝ, right? Quantum entanglement ብትለኝ, it's how some spiritual things works, right? Like that's how it is. So as humans, the science, that's the time I was saying this. Science was not supposed to fight with ብዙ ጊዜ ሳይንስ የሚያምን ሰው ሃይማኖት የለውም ወይ እግዚአብሔር ማመን የለበት ምን አይነት እንደዛ አይነት ሳይንስ is like the way we understand how God works, basically. It's like ከፋፍለ ነው humans, like biology ስንል it's how ሰውን እንደሆነ ነገር እንዳደረገ ምናምን የምናውቅበት ነው። so discovery ስለ ያው ኢንስፓይሬሽኑ እግዚአብሔር ነው, which is የሰራው ነገር ነው ወይም ፈጣሪ የሰራው ነገር ነው። then ያ የሰራውን ነገር as inspiration ተወስድና እንዴት አድርገ አንተ የበተንክ ልታደርግ እንደምችል ነው, right? So theoretically scientists, like research ስታደርግ I think እንዲህ ብናደርገው ምናምን ብለው የሆነ hypothesis ታመጣለህ, right? So hypothesis ማለት ነው አሁን ላይ might be crazy, right? Some of the scientists back were like የተገደሉት ወይ ምናምን some crazy idea and was in Galileo ምናምን ሲሉ was because it is but like crazy, right? So I want them to think about it, like if you asked them, if you told them ምሳሌ አያታችን ምናምን ካለ about AI አውራ ሰይጣን በቃ
yes
but like but as humans we trying to copy brain, right? That's brain. Yeah, so እየሰራ ያለው so scale. The thing is ChatGPT scale አረገና that's the system ትባሏን ነገር ተረዳናትና አይደል? Like because soon that's how it is. But as humans, when we initially was ስንፈጠር was a system እንድንሰራ ነበር. But when we have the system because of free will ስላለን we choose to do some stupid things as well. So then you learn wisdom out of it. Then when you get the wisdom, you control yourself. Willingness because at the end of the day, like give another 5 years. የኤአይ በጎ ፈቃድ ላይ መውደቃችን አይቀርም, right? ኤአይ will know ቦምብ እንዴት እንደሚሰራ ያውቃል, እኛ የት እንዳለን ያውቃል። so በጎ ፈቃዱ ላይ ነው ያለ ነው። ኤኒታይም የሆነ ነገር መላክ ይችላል, right? that's what it is. when ስኬል ስናደርገው እንደዛ ነው። እኛም እንደ ሰው አንድ ኤአይ አንድ ኮምፒውተር ለምሳሌ if you run one any model አንድ ኮምፒውተር ላይ ካረከው ሰው በለው አይደል? አንተ የምታውቀውን ያውቃል ምናምን የሆነ ነገር ብጠይቀው አንተን ይሰራል። then if you manage to control like motors ምናምን in nano level ምናምን control ካረክ ልክ የምናወራውን ሰው የምናደርገውን ማውጣት ይችላል ምናምን transistor, that's it. then እነሱን connect ስታረጋቸው scale ያደርጋሉ, which is ይሄ ኮምፒውተር ከሌላ ኮምፒውተር ጋር አውርቶ ሳስበው እነኚህ ልጆች እያስቸገሩ ነውና ያው ዲሌት ይደረጉ ካለ የምናደርገው ነገር ነው።
ከአሁኑ መጠቀቅ ያስፈልጋል ነው የምትለው? like ከChatGPT ጋር ቻት ስናደርግ we have to like make sure that we don't say the wrong things ወደፊት ከአምስት ዓመት በኋላ እንዳያስታውስ። but that's
like until the point like እንትን አሁን ላይ የChatGPT ማለት በቃ ጂኒየስ የሆነ ውሻ ብላ አስቡ ቼን አያደርግም። አሁን ቼን እያደረገ ነው because ውሻ ቼን የድሮን ኢንፎርሜሽን የሰው ልጅ ልዩነቱ የድሮን ኢንፎርሜሽን ሌቨሬጅ ያደረግና አሁን አዲስ ኢንፎርሜሽንን ከድሮ ላይ ይሰራል። that's why ኢቮልቭ የምናደርገው አይደል? የድሮ ቤት ካሁን ምናምን የሚስተካከለው ለዚህ ድሮ ላይ በአንበሳ የተበላ ሰው ስለምናቅ አንበሳ ማንንትን ማንለው እንጂ በየጊዜው በአንበሳ የሚበላ ሰው ይኖር ነበር። ውሻ ግን ማለት ሰው ውሻ የበላም አለ፣ ውሻ የካደም አለ፣ ውሻ የገደለም ውሻ ስቲል ሎዮ የድሮን ኖሌጅ ሌቨሬጅ ስለማያደርግ ማለት ነው። ራይት አሁን ኤአይ አሁን ሜሞሪ የሚባለው ነገር ኖርማል ሜሞሪ የሚባለው ኮንሰፕትን ስታየው it's like basically like that, right? so አሁን ላይ ተናደ ምናምን ብለህ ብትሰድበው በኋላ ላይ ስቲል አሁን የምታወራውን ቶክን ምናምን ነው ይህንን ከዚህ ከባድ ኢንፎርሜሽን ላይ ምን ማድረግ እንዳለበት አልተማርም። right? which is like የሰው ልጅ እንዳልተማረው ማለት ነው። አዲስ ህፃን ልጅ እንደተሰጠቅ ማለት ነው። right? ስቲል እኛ ጋር ነው ማስተማራችን። መጠንቀቅ አይደለም I don't think ከኢንቴሊጀንስ መጠንቀቅ ምንችል አይመስለኝም። like the reason እኛ ከሰው by the way anybody ከኛ መጠንቀቅ አይችልም እንስሳ because smart ስለሆነ ነው። ከፈለግን ሄደን እኮ እኛ ባህር ውስጥ ገብተን ምናምን ዌል ምናምን የሆነ ሀንት እናደርጋለና
Yes.
Yeah.
Fish in there.
I guess we could lead this conversation into, so what are your thoughts on like AI safety now? Are you part of Manabaru and your Kawski or Manam group? We should stop it, or are we more like interpretable Mona Labas? We should keep on developing it, or which side or are you on? I guess, or are you some combination of both?
ህልም ተፈርቶ ሳይተኛ አይቀርም like
Yeah, we should do.
to man ስለ it's like here's the thing እኔ እኔ like we የተፈጠርነው እንደ ሰው ልጅ የተፈጠርነው like we have this ባህሪ አለ ባህሪያችን ይቅር ማለት መውደድ ምናምን እንደሚባለው እንደዛ መፍጠር ባህሪያችን ነው መስራት that's it problem solve ማለት innovation is because that's what it is right innovate ማድረግ it's ባህሪያችን ነው so innovate አለማድረግ it's ባህሪያችን አይደለም right so ልጅ ችግራችን ባህሪያችን ያለው ነገር ስለማናረግ ነው it's like ራሳችን ላይ ችግር ምናመጣው right ለምሳሌ anything መሮጥ ምናምን የተፈጠርነው እንደዛ ነው እኛ መኪና እናመጣለን ከመኪና ጋር ተያይዞ መግጨት ይመጣል መኪና ባታመጣ መኪና መግጨት አይመጣም right so which is ለእንትኑ ነው so AIም ሲመጣ it's like I mean it's a part of work somebody AIን ቢልድ ያደርጋል somebody AIን ተጠቅሞ የሆነ ኪዮስ ይፈጥራል ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ ሰው መጥቶ ያን ፕሪቨንት ያደርጋል ኢንተርኔት መጣ በኢንተርኔት ስንት ሰው ተገናኘ ስንት ሰው ህይወቱን ቀየረ ስንት ሰው ሀብታም ሆነ ስንት ሰው ምናምን right በኢንተርኔት ስንት ዳሜጅ መጣ whatever now
ባላንስ አለ like eventually balance out ያደርጋል ነው ያንተ opinion right
አለ የሆነ ጀነሬሽን ይመጣና ደግሞ something save ያደርጋል that's it ሰው ልጆች እንደዛ ነው that's how wisdom የምንማረው
but I guess we can go down this route but the argument that people who are against this say is like and then nuclear bomb ምናምን እንደመስራት ነው so አንድ ጊዜ destructive የሆነ AI unleash ከተደረገ it's not like something we can roll back like it's like በጣም like በፍጥነት የሚሰራጭ ነገር ስለሆነ I guess that's why they say we have to be careful or I guess we should stop it careful የሚለው careful is the default position but stop it no is the
ሁለት ኤክስትሪሞች
yeah
I mean you can't stop it like you can't like ምንድነው stop የምታደርገው
yeah the whole premise of everybody stop doing AI research doesn't really
ሲጀመር stop it ማለት it's like ጭራሽ ሪሰርቹም ሌላ ሌቭል ነው የሚወስደው stop it ስትባል ባረለ stop it is ግን like አረዳለው ነገር the problem with it like I understand ምን አይነት እንትን ሊኖረው እንደሚችል and here's the thing I would say like I think from my point of view ማለት ነው it's AIን ሰው ልጅን ይሁላ ዳሜጅ ኒውክሊየር ቦምብ የሚሰራው ሰው ልጅ ነው ሰው የሚገለው ሰው ልጅ ነው ምናምን ምንድነው ያስቆመው ስለሆነ እኔ እናንተን ምናምን ያንን the bad way እንዳንሄድ ያስቆመን ምንድነው
yeah I guess we could talk about a lot of stuff incapabilities or beliefs or one of the two depends on the person
damage ማድረስ capability አለ
yeah so you're going after beliefs I guess
there is Lina like we have it which is there is a foundation so that's something we have inside of us like that's which is our brain knows a lot of things right our brain knows የኔና አንተም ጊዜን ብትሰጥ ባይዘው ትንጥዬን ቦምብ ቢሆን መስራት ይችላል ኒውክሊየር ባቱን right
yeah
በሷ ቦምብ at least በሳቅ ትገለናል እንደው በቦምብ ራሱ ባገለ ማለት so with that type, it's like you have knowledge right but you have which is the other time we have and backend engineer ነበር Kingo የሚባል now we were talking about this brain ምናምን ነገር he was saying brain is it's a good it's a good slave but a bad boss adding right so I was like that was very like it makes sense ምናምን አልኩትና then after a while I was thinking about it like hold on a minute man so I mean if brain is a bad
who's your boss man
boss kone na good slave kone was going to be boss right like something need to be boss because something need to lead right because the more you think about it, because brain is like ብዙ information ስላለ አሁን እንደሆኑ ማለት ነው ኒውክለር ቦምብ እኔ እናንተም መስራት እንችላለን right but because of it's a bad boss it is ማለት ነው አንተ survival እኔ አንተ survival ላይ የሚመጣ ትሬት ከመሰልኩ ቦምቡንም እስከ ፈንጁንም እስከ መጠቀም ድረስ ትደርሳለህ any type of thing እስከ መጠቀም ትደርሳለህ because of your brain በሚያውቀው እውቀት ማለት ነው because your brain is all about ምንም ከዛ ውጭ የሚያገባው ነገር right your brain don't ለዛ እኮ ነው ስኳር እንደሚገድል እያወቅ ምናምን ከምትታረገ because your brain is just all about that survival but so it's like yeah ትክክል ነው ሰው ልጅን እንደሚያስቆመው ሰው ልጅን ያስቆመውን ህሊና ወይም ይሄ ፋውንዴሽን ኦፍ ሂውመንን ሴም ኤአይን በዛ መሰረት ሼፕ ማድረግ አለበት yes we're gonna have a lot of bad AIs you know like we're gonna have a lot of bad AI actors ካሜሮች ምናምን አይቀሩልንም
Yeah, of course. They're still here. They know they're here.
of course that guy is የማይቀርልን ነው ግን the whole AI የሚባለው ግን ዳሜጅ እንዳያደርግ ግን the foundation
Yeah, that's just too variable.
yeah go ahead
Again,
Yeah, I was
I'm
just
curious.
Yeah.
So I'm curious to know your opinion on so back in the day, Ghana research ውስጥ ስገባ you said you started in computer vision, right? And I guess that's a great application of AI in certain ways. Good. I don't know about LLMዎች advent በየዛን ጊዜ አላውቅም ግን what are your thoughts on LLMዎች scale አድርገው they make everything seem like magic አለ አይደል ChatGPT ስታዋራው you're like blown away by it ግን back then ገና ሲጀመር it was a smaller model probably እኔ ትዝ ይለኛል የሆኑ በጣም ሲምፕሊስቲክ ሞዴሎች ነበሩ ኤንግራም ምናምን የሚባሉ right so they're just predicting the next word or something የሆነ predictive ነገሮች ናቸው እና it wasn't magic back then ግን scale ስላደረገ ብቻ now it's this big AI you know just a threat on many things like ስራ ሊወስድ ይችላል ምናምን now we're talking even about you know bad AI ከመጣ ምናምን ብለን እና is it really magic is it intelligence የሚለው እኔ still ማመን አልቻልኩ ባለፈውም ከፍራውል ጋር እያወራን ነበር ስለዚህ he knows I guess my position about it is it really intelligence or is it mimicking intelligence and now should we really be afraid of it you know it's a really good predictive model but you know myself again is it really what's your opinion on that
well I mean intelligence is like well there's cognitive side አለው emotional side አለው ምናምን አለው so አንድ ነገር intelligent ነው ለመባል you need to have obviously መጣይ እውቀት የሚባለው አለ ጤነኛው ለመሆን መቻል አለበት to be intelligent right so yes we saying like you know yeah intelligent ነው ምናምን የሚለውን ነገር to the definition like might not be like አንተ like ግን is it getting things done yes for sure
yes yeah.
right so is it solving problems very much you know because back in days was like when computer vision was well when I was doing like the AI thing LLM was not a thing okay yeah. Or I well like Lenny ወይ የኔ ስኮፕ ውስጥ አልገባም right so የኔ እንትን ውስጥ አልነበረም so at that time what was blowing like አሁን LLM እንደሚባል የዛ ሰዓት ብሎ የሚያደርግ የነበረው was computer vision
Yeah.
right
Yeah.
every time
ትዝ ይለኛል
right so in the middle ላይ was kind መጣ generative networks መጡ ምናምን ነገር እና deep fake ምናምን ደግሞ የዛ ሰዓት ደግሞ was about generative networks ነበር so right before that it was about computer vision so there's like crazy paperዎች የመጡት የዛ ሰዓት ላይ ነው computer vision ላይ so me it was about computer vision it was about implementing this computer vision models to in the devices right like it was on Jetson Nanos when we had you know GPU stations ምናምን implement them on Raspberry Pis ምናምን so for autonomous devices ምናምን so that was the thing so as I said ቅድም እንዳልኩ ከሪሰርች ውስጥ it's like there's like I wanted to do the engineering as well like and I wanted to see it like in real world like I don't want to even ቻፓንም ስንጀምር I was saying you know lab project የለንም ምናምን ል ነበረ you know it's like if something is ከተሰራ product ላይ መውጣት አለ that's it like like people need to say so when we do it you know it has to be done in a way that like you know people are gonna use it so because of that mentality so when I had computer vision, it's like, we did the computer vision product. Like, okay, now, it was segmentation, right? It was one of that's I think about a problem was
Yeah.
like segmentation about object, right?
Segmentation.
So it's like,
Yeah.
then for autonomous cars ላይ እንዴት አድርገህ solve እናደርጋለን ምናምን. That was the problem. And that was obviously the cool thing was now when we solved this problem, I remember we used to say when people think AI is gonna take over the world, ምናምን. Meanwhile, we have a problem with our model, having a problem with identifying cat and dog, ምናምን,
Yeah.
ያንን የዛ ግጅ ያሚም ትሬንድ ምናምን ሲሆን was like, computer vision was the thing. Then I think the LLM thing came to the picture kind of on in ChatGPT. ChatGPT, like እንደዚህ ትሬንድ ቢሆነው ማለት ነው, right? So ትሬንድ ሲሆን አይደለ application የምትፈልግለት. So my side of research is, just you do the research, you see the application, then ታደርጋለህ. Then yeah, right after that, like, the autonomous device ምናምን ሲሆን it was kind of too much work on it, you have to ያን ደግሞ መኪናውን ደግሞ በትልቁ build ማድረግ ሲሆን was kind of boring. You know what, I wanted to do something from lab ብዬ I worked on identifying, on nano devices, like, so it was let's say can be DNA ሊሆን ይችላል, it can be any type of small device የእነሱን similarities and micro scale match ማድረግ. That was one of the computer vision problem in physics, right? So I was like, okay, now we have computer vision, then we have this physics problem, so let me solve it. So that problem got to my professors gave me that problem because I was just making project and I presented it, ከዛ በኋላ ጸዴ ነው, now what, right? So publish ማድረግ አችልም ገና በጣም it's like the prototype, ገባ? It's like and I wanted to publish something. Alrighty, I wanted to do research, but it's like, because I said, everybody ያጨበጭብልሃል, ግን like መኪናው ላይ ሄደ, so what, right? Like, okay, sure, I'm gonna change this to now. I was talking to my professor, right? That my professor was saying, you know what, problem አለ እዚህ ላይ, እና if we manage to fix it, we can publish a paper, like potentially patent ሊኖረን ይችላል. Okay, now
capitalism at work.
Exactly. Now I'm talking, right? Now because AI is my passion. Now there's a physics problem, like,
Yeah. Okay.
now he's speaking my language, right? Then I got into the lab, ምናምን problem my ጀመር, build a device, ምናምን I deployed it on Jetson Nano, ምናምን.
Wow.
Then I think for November ምናምን ለጄትሰን ጄትሰን actual competition ሲያደርጉ ያወዳድሩ ነበርና እነሱ ኮምፒቲሽን አንድ 15 ቀን 20 ምናምን ቀን ሲቀሩ ብቻ it's like let's see በቃ ሰብሚት ማድረግ አለብን which is running around the product. So what we did was we attached the like different servo motors ምናምን state motors to microscope ላይ እና so ማይክሮስኮፑ ኦብጀክቶች የምትፈልጋቸውን ኦብጀክቶች ከዲቫይስ ላይ ሰርች እንዲያደርግ ነው ያደረግነው, right, on nano scale. So you have different shapes, right? So and these shapes are, since they are in micro state, just similarityያቸውን accuracyያቸውን ምናምን ልመለካት ይከብዳል. That was the problem. So we wrote this ምናምን, we did the project, we submitted to Jetson. We got the patent. I got the patent. So yeah, my time, I think I was it was in China, and I was the first, maybe, I don't know if I say the only, maybe I was the only person, the only foreigner to have a patent in China by that satellite. So I did that patent. I mean, yeah, like, the black inventor in China made me damn it on with us. So I was like,
It's an article ላገኘዋለን? Article ነው ወይስ is it like a news article? እፈልገዋለሁ።
ፋሚሊ ምናምን ፍሬም አድርጎት ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ጠይቃቸዋለሁ። But yeah, it was like, but I was that was the thing. So that actually, research ላይ የነበረውን one problem with computer vision ምናምን ፊክስ ማድረጉ was just very interesting for me. Then more research ሰራን. Then yeah, because I was obsessed with it.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So you went to university in China, right?
I went to university in China, yeah. And well, yeah, great.
No, I just wanted to ask like you know,
Well, I like for
ምን
me,
ይመስል ነበረ?
no, I think I went to a lot of places for education, right? But I think China is. I think first time we went to China to see Chinese is very very የሚገርሙ ሰዎች ናቸው from my perspective, right? So first time I think went to China with my friend, right? Like so just to get some CC missionaries ምናምን, right? Because like damage. I was like, you know, I gotta learn a lot from these people. Now, started digging around. I think that was in June. No, I'm mistaken, because no, July or something. I don't remember. But I was like, you know what? September, I went back to Benton. I found then I had a professor. This professor, and I was really you know, smart, very studies. Then I was like, when I was talking to him, and I joined his lab. Then like I said, mostly I was doing research. Like mostly I was obsessed with research, man. So I went to China specifically to do this, you know, like microelectronics like research. But since the course is like, you know, you can get you can get your whatever things, and aside I was doing Chinese, manaman. So China, like for me, if you ask me from anywhere, like yet to know actually, he maybe intellectual part of you feed metarago, like, you know, things that, like, you know, you tell yourself like you can do it, nigga, you know, because different part of you need to be rasa confirm maraga physically, mentally, and so like Chinese, like, you know, when you see the dedication, the hard work, you know, because for me, እኔ የሄድኩበት ከተማ ላይ I saw ሀበሻ ሀበሾች ተመቸኝ it's like, you know, it's like you my people, you know, if I would have like, you know, it's a very true so it's like, you know, it's good for me. Then I love the subject as well, the research topic, and not. So I joined. I was the only person in the lab ውስጥ ብቻዬን ነበሩ lab ውስጥ የምትምለው እና let alone like ጥቁር ምናምን it's like one of the things is China ውስጥ በዛ ሰዓት ላይ was ጥቁር still was rare. Like,
የት ከተማ?
most of Katamas, man, I think, yeah, we went to even when me and my friend went to China, it was Xiamen, Manam, Jiangsu, Manam, Zhejiang, Manam, Sydney, or which man, photo right? So for me, I was like being to Kura Zaga, represent Marag Manaman, and God, to be smart was not, when to be outstanding was not even part of Benton. Option I represented, man. Like, you know, everybody was just was, you know, and but you have life, okay? Just, you know, you have people in your childhood, and it was just very fun. And that life one with this whole black community responsibility handle mara was just, you know, it's just the thing, right? And I was the only person in the lab. So it was me and my professor most of the time. It was talk and then they just ጓደኞቼ ምናምን ይዣቸው እሄዳለሁ ውስጥ ምናምን so China like that's, and ከቻይኒዞች ጋር ስለሆነ ላምሰራው I work in cancer project ላይ ሰርቻለሁ, in like ቺፖች ላይ ሚሽኖች ላይ ምናምን I work in different Chinese companies ላይ እና ከቻይኒዞች ጋር ስሰራ one thing that I learned is they are hustlers, like definition of hustlers. So when you see this, I mean, you have no option but to be like, you know, it's like, but just you say the bar there. Zaga no bar say metallico. So like item bota day, like, you know, to work until 11 p.m. when to wake up at 6 manamen, to not eat manamen, it's just normal, like, you know. If you're going to be someone, just normal.
No, sacrifice just
Chinese በቃ እሱን ስላ ያን ተምሬያለሁ እና and my partner also Chapa, like my partner is we met in China as well, so it's Nile, yeah.
Oh, okay. You guys met each other. That's great.
Yes,
that's very interesting. That's a good segue, I guess, with the Chapa.
But I have one anti-agaling. So like you went from like learning to program, like, and then experimenting with stuff, learning computer science, and then doing this like another research now. At any point in that you wanna like actual like software engineer honye, like I'm gonna get hired at Google, or I'm gonna build a product and sell it የሚል ሀሳብ መጥቶልህ ያውቃል? Or did you do things like that while you were still a
Until
researcher?
uh,
Yeah.
that's a good question.
Okay. Okay. So like my life like የሆነ ጊዜ ላይ when ለምሳሌ when I heard about ቅጣው እጅጉ you know what I was like NASA ነው you know so like well ምሳሌ ወይ ስፔስ ላይ ምናምን ሲመጣ obviously you know like NASA is the top tier, right? So yes, that was my goal. So everything I was doing is what is that. So if you ask me, it's not about growing up በተለይ ከጠየቀኝ ማለት ነው growing up ከጠየቀኝ even እንትን እያልኩኝ it's not about the computer side of the things. You know, the reason I was doing computer is not because of software problems solve ለማድረግ አይደለም. It's to solve like you know physics ወይ ምናምን problem.
Yeah.
But I found computer was just የሆነ tool ቀለል ብሎ እዚህ ጋር የመጣልኝ ነገር you know እዛ ምናምን ትሩ I was lazy man, you know የሆነ እዛ
Yeah.
ማለት ኤክሰርሳይዝ ማድረግ ምናምን አልፈልግም so እዚህ ቁጭ ካለና ከመጣልኝ I'm comfortable just ቁጭ ብዬ solve ማድረግ you know computer ያ ስላደረገልኝ ነው እንጂ so I never had like እንትን የለኝም የሆነ እዚህ ቦታ ምናምን እንደዚህ ሆናለሁ ብዬ አይደለም but maybe you know maybe I grew up with everybody was just kind of you know saying good things about me ነገር you know it's like you know እንደዚህ ጥሩ ትሆናለህ ምናምን so I knew I was going to be like you know somebody but like እንደዚህ structure ያደረኩት ምናምን እንደዚህ ምናምን አላለው አላልከን every time በቃ የሆነ ጎል ይዛለሁ ለምሳሌ I wanted to work Google ምናምን then በዚህም በዛም አድርጌ ምናምን I wanted to work I will work and then what's next was part of my life
Yeah.
was
So you even
cool.
though you are a researcher, you were talking about like building stuff, ምናምን is the easy part. So I thought you were like you are against the idea of becoming an engineer. You just wanted to do the research and stuff.
No, it's like this. I mean, everybody has different gift, right? Talent, like which
Yeah.
is one of the gift is like you know you might have is engineering, right? Solving problems. ምናምን. One of the things is like you know he remembering ምናምን ማስታወስ ምናምን ሊሆን ይችላል, which is research part of it. Discover ማድረግ ምናምን figure out ማድረግ. So it's about አንተ የራስን ጊፍት ላይ ነው more you know ምንድን ነው ውሃ ማጠጣት ያለብህ እንጂ you know ያንተን አፕል ከሌላ ሰው ኦሬንጅ ጋር ኮምፔር ማድረግ የለብህም ማለት ፈልጌ ነው so እኔ እንደዛ ስለሆነ ነው because at that time like for me engineering was the thing easiest ስለሆነብኝ you know ትምህርት ቤት አሁን ክላስ ውስጥ ምናምን ይሄ የሚቸክል ምናምን I was like if the definition of ጎበዝ is like you know ያጠና ምናምን every time ያጠናው ከሆነ but if when I am not the thing if it's boring for me so instead of blaming the system I blame myself again. So you have the problem. So you know, so to prove that you don't have a problem, you have to be a researcher. Like you know, so being researcher is not about being scientist. By the way, being researcher is about reading a lot of things. I mean, the theoretical definition of it, right? Like አሁን ChatGPT አለ summarize ያደርግልሃል, but before it was about. I mean, because you want to publish a paper,
Yeah,
paper
you have to go find it. Yeah.
I mean, እዛ ሰዓት ላይ ለምሳሌ ፔፐር ፐብሊሽ ከማድረግ በፊት ስለ ፔፐሩ አንብባሉ was a common thing, right? So
Yeah, but
like for me ደግሞ like reading and doing things was boring. Like doing and reading it maybe it's just a little bit better. Even reading by ኖሮ ደስ ይለኛል። ዝም ብዬ doing እያደረኩኝ ፊት ከዛ ላይ በማር ደስ ይለኛል።
Yeah, that's interesting. So
Yeah.
before we go into Chapa, what other interesting ነገሮች ቬንቸሮች ውስጥ ገብተህ ታውቃለህ? or before Chapa ማለት ነው. After education but before Chapa, what did you do?
After education, before Chapa, like okay, so after education, I worked at Qubit የሚባል አንድ ፕሮጀክት ነበር and we predicted ምንድን ነው stock price. So
Okay.
yeah, stock price prediction ላይ on private like you know private cloud machines ላይ እንትን deploy እናደርግ ነበረ. We work with that thing. I work with and emotion. I mean, Colimo የሚባል ፕሮጀክት ላይ ሰርተናል in France. It's Colimo it was a chat bot basically. So what we did is ምን እንዳደረግን ታውቃለህ? We get ከአንድ ከተማ ላይ ከጉግል ማፕ ላይ እንዳለ ዳታ ስክራፕ አደረግንና then we trained a model እንትን የሚያደርግ ምንድን ነው የሚባለው some NLP model ብቻ እዛ ላይ ራን አደረግን so it's basically personality train አወጣንበት from the way people write feedback ምናምን right so ከዛ ላይ personality match አወጣንና ያንተን ደግሞ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ያለውን personality አድርገን then before you get to one city አንተን personality እዛ ሲቲ ካሉ ቦታዎች ጋር ማች ያደርጋል.
Okay,
right?
that's a little.
So it's a cool, it was a very cool project. You know, it's we worked in it's I think it was in 2018, Manaman. It was a very cool project. We just started working on it, Manaman. Then the problem was it was expensive, man. It was AI. It was expensive. But
expensive to run, no? Is expensive to run, no? Waste time.
Inference I mean.
Okay. Inference.
I'm talking about like, you know, in real time, Yanten personality out to check place scrap right? Because both us cameras it doesn't work, right?
It doesn't work. You have to be fast.
You have to be fast, right? So because people don't care. I mean, AI you don't care. You're not your product.
Yeah.
So yeah, I work in all the microscopic image colorization. It's one of the science projects that we're trying to make it like as a venture. Is that can as a business again, you know, and just Ethiopia was chilling around, you know, yeah, but because actually and mostly nothing.
Yeah, but
I guess
you go for that.
Yeah, I was gonna say that my jumps to okay, so I'm gonna ask it. Like I was mention Kachoga, like you are like maybe like a founder level or you I think I don't know, I'm just assuming this way. Like and the employee like one individual contributor and I'm started many company before that. I guess you are just being a researcher and then just became a CTO and like you now have to manage a bunch of individual contributor engineers. Like, did that transition, was that hard or what did you find that to be?
I never worked for a company employee but but I worked for like companies like Team I worked
Okay.
in ለምሳሌ Google Brain I did research there. I worked at Mila I worked in like Lena research labs like I worked there. So ዝም ብሎ ለመስራት ማለት ነው. As a whatever scientist, different positions, like different. It could be intern, anything. Again, I never worked for one and the company then leading demo so እንደዚህ እንትን ማድረጌ አላውቅም was so Chapa was like first experience. Minimum leadership like I never wanted to have leadership side of it. I did not want to know like leadership. I just wanted to solve a problem and go home, you know. So I have software engineers phenomenon.
You sign up for it. Yeah.
የሆነ ጓደኛ አለኝ የሆነ ነገር አይመቸኝም የሚል ሰው he's probably the best person for that role የሚል so አሁን የእሱ ድርጅት ውስጥ የማይመቻቸው ሰዎች ብቻ ናቸው የተቀጠሩት so now it's bigger ግን it works I guess because ጎበዞች ናቸው አብዛኞቹ
I think so well leadership is I mean የሆነ ስለፈለግከው ስላልፈለግከው እንትን የምታደርገው ነገር አለ የምትኖረው ነገር ነው you know just live it and the people አንተ የምትኖረው ነገር የተመቸው ሰው ይከተላል you lead people follow right does not mean like ultimately leader ለማለት አይደለም sometimes you just have to be like you know somebody ካንተ የሚያውቅ ምናምን የተሻለ መንገዱ የሚያውቃል ትከተላለህ it's just a lifestyle you know you just and ሌላ ላይፍስታይል ነው ሌላም ሰው and leadership ትክክለኛ እንደሆነ የምታውቀው ሌላ ሊደር ካወጣ ነው you know ሌላ ሊደር ካወጣ ነው ካለበለዚያ ዝም ብለህ ሊድ የምታረግ ከሆነም it's like ሰዎቹን እንደ በግ እየቆጠርካቸው ነው like ሊድ ማያረጉ ከሆነ right ዝም ብለህ ደግሞ አንተም እያልክ ከኋላ እነሱ ሰው ከፊት በተለይ ቲሙ ከፊት ሆኖ አንተ ከኋላ ከሆንክ ሌላ ታሪክ ነው እሱ በሽታ ነው it doesn't work like that. Like, you know, every time you have to be on the phone. Like because team the force, you know, team is like, you know, what you have, no, but you have to protect them. That's what leader
I
is
guess,
like.
yeah.
Leader ማለት እንደዛ ነው። Then ከዛ በኋላ the team is like it's gonna be in its full capacity. ገባክ? Because
Mhm.
everything because leader ስትሆን it's not አንተ በተለየ ነገር ምናምን ስለተሻልክ ሳይሆን you have ትንሽ የበሽታ ምናምን ይሄ ምንድነው ስትሬንግዝ አለክ ነው። ገባክ አይደለ? ሬዚሊየንስ አለክ ተብሎ ነው። ኤክስፒሪየንስ አለክ ተብሎ ነው። ስለዚህ ቲሙን ሺልድ ማድረግ አለበት። because ቲሙ እየሰራ ነው። right? Because it's like something execute እያደረጉ ነው። so you have to take that thing. That's leadership for me. Nah, it's something you live it. Apparently ማለት ነው. But science አለው. I learned, so to be honest, like when it comes to leadership, I learned a lot of things from my partner as well. It's
Yeah.
just about in general running things, ምናምን mindset ላይ ምናምን. So my leadership is Chapa was like it's my ትምህርት ቤት as well.
Yeah.
Like
Oh, that's
so
interesting.
it's ትምህርት ቤት everything እያጠፋሁ ምናምን እንዳልኩህ ያው I'm like reverse engineering ስለሆነ ደስ ያለኝን አይዲያል የሆነውን ሊደርሺፕ ስታይል አይምሮዬ ላይ ያለውን ኢምፕሊመንት ለማድረግ ነው የሞከርኩት። so ላራ ኪዮስ ነበረው ምናምን but everyone was amazing. It's like everyone was supportive, everyone was respectful ምናምን. I think we have one of the very best working culture like in Ethiopia take like space ላይ ብዬ አስባለሁ now like
You definitely
Yeah.
do. I mean, for the first time when we met, like virtually ነበረና አንድ የታዘብኩት ነገር like your work culture የሚገርም ነበረ because
thank you.
Yeah. The office and stuff.
yeah, it looks laid
You
back,
can say
ግን
that.
it's very በጣም አሪፍ like intense የሆነ work culture. Yeah.
Like we work like በጣም crazy. So look, we በጣም chill ነን ምናምን, the team is ምናምን, በጣም we work like crazy. በጣም እንሰራለን, በጣም እንትን like to be honest, the whole idea of winning is like when you win as a team. It's like gosh, so it's ትክክለኛ feeling ገባ? So እዛ ጋር ለመድረስ ደግሞ everybody need to because ሁላችንም our brain is it's our enemy እኮ ስታስበው, right? የምትፈልግበት ቦታ እንዳደርስ and it tells you a lot of things, right? So and when you have different engineers, because when you have different smart people, believe it or not, like you're gonna build the next $1 billion company because and nobody but also so Chapa I mean it's not a one man show at all. It's like Chapa is like it's everybody's effort. ሁሉም ሰው amazing ስለሆነ ምናምን የሆነ ነገር ነው. So to get to that level, everybody ሁሉንም ሰው potential ለማውጣት you have to create ጥሩ environment. It's like ጥሩ ያን environment create ለማድረግ ደግሞ it's going to be hard a little bit, but it's very possible. And not in nothing የሆነ ያወቀነው የቀመርነው ምናምን ሬሲፒ ምናምን ቅመም የለንም. To be honest, like we humble under God ምናምን, ግን it's like it's I don't know, just everybody was hungry ነው ገባክ ለመለወጥ ምናምን, everybody impact ለማምጣት it's not about no ego ምናምን ማወቅ አይደለም, no boss ምናምን አይደለም. so ያ በራሱ then እግዚአብሔር ሲጨመርበት I think we got a good level.
Yeah, I guess let's talk about that. Like the የመጀመሪያ hiring ፌዛችሁ ላይ like how many people did you hire? Like did you hire a lot of people at once, or was it just you working on the project? Or ከዛ ደግሞ like I guess አብዛኛው ሰዎች አብዛኛው ቦታ ላይ like support staff other like if you're like a tech company, you'll have engineering and HR ምናምን ነገር hire ያደርጋሉ as early as they can. Like did you guys do that, or how was like the hiring process? Because I think that's እሱ ነው ዋናው ነገር አይደል? cultureን like what is the main drive የሚያደርገው?
Yeah. I think what እኔ ምን አይነት እንትን ነበረብኝ መሰለህ? I had ሲኒየር ሃየር ማድረግ አልወድም ነበር because of ego አለበት ብዬ ስለማስብ. I can't deal with it, like because if like I'm one of ego ራሴ ቪክቲም ስለሆንኩ ማለት ነው። እና ያንን I think የሆነ ሰዓት ራሴ ላይ ከረገባ ስላወቅኩትኝ So I can't tell you how to live your life. Like you going to work ማለት አልችልም። ራስ ችግር ሲያስተምር ያስተምራል, right? Because you can't tell anybody to change ላይፋቸውን እንዲቀይሩ ምናምን። So ያን ዲል ከማድረግ ብዬ I think when early days ላይ I was talking to my partner and I was like, I think we need to have internoች ምናምን because this interns like have ጥሩ መማር ይፈልጋሉ ምናምን እና I think መጀመሪያ የነበረን የመጀመሪያ ኤምፕሎያችን I think was ቅዱሴ መሰለኝ I mean like ቴክ ላይ ማለት ነው but ከዛ በፊት ላይ we have ሌላ accounting ላይ ምናምን we have one of the best person like we first hire ያደረግናት ልጅ አለች ከዛ በኋላ I think we hired በዛ ሳይድ ላይ አሁን to be honest I don't remember like ምን ያህል ሰው ምናምን በዛ ሰዓት እንደነበር from tech side ላይ I remember first person was ቅዱሴ is a ሀሳብ እንትን really amazing person yeah so was ቅዱሴ was first እንትን ቅዱሴ was first I think it was first grad መሰለኝ ከዛ በኋላ we hired ሁለት for like front end interns ቆየት ብለን yeah so it's like that was it because I like mostly was intern ናቸው አሁን ላይ this interns are like seniors ምናምን so everybody ቻፓ ላይ አለ mostly like very junior ወይንም from intern level ላይ like ቻፓ ላይ እዛው cultivate like የሆኑ ናቸው ካልቸሩን ያውቁ ምናምን everything እንትን የሚሉ ናቸው so mostly the way they think the way they solve problem ምናምን it's like ቻፓ way ነገር ነው so they are very very smart to be honest ማለት ነው የራሳቸው እንትን አለ but ያን smartness like some way I tell you like people they can compete people with people from like Stripe Google ምናምን ብትለኝ with that type of proficiency ማለት ነው ይህንን it's like culture ላይ ራሳቸው develop ያደረጉት ነው but most of them were like interns still በዛ ነው develop ያደረጉት
ስትቀጥር ግን የቀጠርከው is it around a certain technology ወይስ like you just hired someone ካናገርካቸው በኋላ if you get a sense that they're driven and smart ቀጠርካቸው ወይስ did you filter አረክ በቱል በቴክኖሎጂ በምትፈልገው how did you hire that?
I always hire until mindset puzzle like okay. I mean እኔ ዛሬ የማውቀውን ነገር የዛሬ አንድ ዓመት በፊት አላውቀውም so I mean and for sure like human beings learn like ሰው ልጅ እንደሚማር በደንብ like it's like ግልጽ ነገር ነው እና so ግን ለመማር ፍላጎት አለው ወይ የሚለው ነው እንትን የምታረቀው ገባ ካረለ so it's like ሰዓት አይቶ ምናምን የሚገባ የሚወጣ ሰው I never hire like ከዚህ ሰዓት በኋላ አልሰራም አይመቸኝም now we don't do that select it's like ከዛ ውጭ ግን something ስላላወቀ ምናምን I give second chance when we hire ለምሳሌ hope ካየው ጥሩ ነገር ካየው ምናምን and but still if I feel like if just a little bit of time ምናምን ካልኩኝ I feel like I እንትን እናደርጋለሁ እንደው ይባለው ስሙ second chance ምናምን ኢንተርቪው ማድረጋለሁ so አሁን ላይ obviously with the AI ጀመር ኮድ ማድረግ ምንም እንትን አይደለም ድሮም ግን somebody ኮድ ባያረግም I know it's just if they have the hunger like ሌዞት problem solve የሚያደርግ ከሆነ በቃ የትም አድርጎ እንደሚያመጣው አውቃለሁ እና the devs ጋር with my team ያለን እንትን I tell them the problem in a way that we understand one another እንዴትም ይስሩት እንዴትም ይሁን they will just bring it and like I mean እስካሁን ድረስ እስከማስታወስ ድረስ እንትን ብዬ አላውቅም የሆነ አሳፍረውኝ አያውቁም they always get it done like by hook or crook like the problem might be hard ምናምን if somebody said like I got it they got it
that's cool
right
so I guess what is Chapa like እኛ እናውቃለን most of our viewers know what Chapa is ግን what is Chapa how did it start እንዴት ነው ከናይል ጋር ሆናችሁ that you started the company why even start a payment I don't know what to call you actually but licensaaችሁ መሰረት I'm not sure if it's payment processor no is so
what is
you can
Chapa well I mean Japa is really it's a lot of thing for us. Like it's like our baby manaman obviously. So እንዳለችው ና but Japa is like it's well, I mean, like from the definition of it, we are a payment gateway company, right? So we process payments for merchants. So ድሮ ላይ የነበረው ፕሮብለም ምንድን ነው? You have business, you want to accept payment ምናምን ከዛ በኋላ either ወይ ሱቅ I think it is ትንሽ ወደኋላ ስንመለስ before Chapa, right? So we wanted to do something ኢትዮጵያ ላይ የሆነ ቴክኖሎጂ መስራት ከፈለክ obviously you have to make money out of it, right? So like ሞኔታይዝ ማድረግ የምትፈልግ ኢንቨስትመንት ሬዝ ምናምን ማድረግ የምትፈልግ ከሆነ ወደድክም ጠላም ብር መሰብሰብ መቻል አለበት። So that was the problem. የነበረው እኛ when we I think ከ2020 ላይ በኮቪድ ጊዜ አፕላይ ከማድረጋችን before that when we had the whole payment የሚባለው አካባቢ ላይ ሲሆን በቃ the first problem you see is just collecting payment, right? So before you say, oh, now I have this app, now solve ያደርግልሃል problem ካልክ በኋላ if you don't know how to make money out of it, if you don't know how to collect money, I mean scalable አይደለም, right? So Chapa is like ያን problem solve ማድረግ ነው። So ያን problem solve ለማድረግ you're someone who want to solve a problem, whatever you want to do, okay? just ወንጀል ብቻ አትስራ, በህጉ መሰረት any type of business ስራ and audience internet ካረከው ወይንም ሱቅ ላይ ካረከው we can help you collect money. That's what it is. That's the definition that we have. So and the more we think about it, like me and Niall, it's like so because I've Kanail coming to talk. So this is a Chapa definition from it. So if anybody guys are watching, like entrepreneur ከሆናችሁ ሱቅ ካላችሁ ካፌ ካላችሁ ዌብሳይት ካላችሁ እና ገንዘብ መሰብሰብ ምናምን ከፈለጋችሁ even event ምናምን somebody ምናምን anything any type of thing online live payment collect ማድረግ ለምትፈልጉት ኮድ ማድረግ if you guys want to feel like genius ምናምን we have APIs now if you guys are like nah we have something else to do better ካላችሁ payment link ምናምን አለን go to chapa.co. that's what Chapa is, man. Then before that, like me and Niall we met in China. Where I think I could watch when this patent thing went viral in China. Apparently, Ethiopian embassy in China, got he said I think ከሌላ ከጎበዝ ልጅ ጋር ላስተዋወቅ ምናምን አለኝና or Niall or something which አንዳችን መጎረር አለብን ሰው ናይል እኔን አላውቅም ብቻ I think እኔ አሁን እዚህ ጋር ስላል ልበል ሜይ ቢ እኔ ባልሆን ይችላል አላስታውስም ብቻ one of us አለና ስልካችን ሰጠ right then ተደዋወልን ምናምን ከናይል ጋር ሰማው ሪች አውት ተደራረግን በቃ አንዳችን ያለንበት ከተማ እሱ ኢስት ነው ወደ ዌስት አካባቢ ነኝ ወደዚህ ስትመጣ ምን አለ I did not know ብቻ I was like ሸንጀን ነበር መሰለኝ እና ሸንጀን ነው then it was like just call him እና አንድ ቀን አወራን ሃከቶን ነው ምናምን ነበረ ለሆነ ሃከቶን ሄድኩኝ እነሱ ሲቲ was then hackathon for 48 hours then ከዛ we just like if you make money I think for Nile birthday was like in kind of እዚህ አካባቢ ኖቬምበር አካባቢ ነው የተዋወቅ ነው የናይል ልደት አካባቢ ነው we just went to the thing well we did the hackathon ምን ነበር መሰለኝ ቲማችን ስም dream big ዱላስ ነው ምናምን something like this
just ሁለታችሁ ብቻ ነው ቲሙ
no it's not it was me him and there was like I was another Chinese friend ምናምን so we built a WeChat mini app የምግብን ፎቶ ታነሳና እዛ ላይ and then calorie ምናምን whatever fatty the
calorie content
ምናምን ታገኛለህ እንደዛ ነው ያደረግነው እና we train a model then ከዛ ሞዴል ላይ አፕል ስታነሳ ከአፕል ላይ የምታገኘው ምናምን then ሶስተኛ ነው ምናምን ወጣን አሸነፍን እና ሃከቶን ላይ and beating China it's like it was international
meaningful
beating Chinese ምናምን but because they're hustlers አንተ እንዴ ደስ ብሎን እላለሁ ተገባበዝንና እንትን ብለን ወጣን ከዛ በኋላ that was then we did another winter camp ምናምን አንድ ፕሮጀክት ሰራን ከናይል ጋር so Niall was really he's very 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 it's very talented very smart ምናምን dedicated ምናምን this you know, discipline ምናምን ያለው ሰው ታውቃለህ goal oriented ሰው that was በቃ since the first time እንትና I felt that like you know it was just me was I was just young you know at some point you know until point ላይ የሆነ ከርቭ ላይ ነው የምትማረው life right but like you know he has that wisdom ምናምን እና it's I saw that and then they paper ምናምን research ለመጻፍ I think he saw that in me እና research እንጻፍ ምናምን ብሎ አንዴ ከዛ በፊት invite አደረገልኝ but I think something was happened and we didn't get a chance to do that. Then after a very long time, we ኢትዮጵያ ተናለ ተገናኝ ኢትዮጵያ እንደሆነ አወቀን ምናምን then አወራን ተጫወትን you know the ህግ ወጣ እንትን ወጣ you know let's do this ምናምን ተባባልን then you know we started Chapa and yeah it's then it was just አንዳችን የራሳችንን ምንድነው የራሳችን ሪስፖንሲቢሊቲ እንወጣ ተባባልን I think yeah we እስካሁን ድረስ አለን
Yeah,
But
that's
who
great.
came up with the name? Man next to me.
you know what it's very interesting so ከዛ በፊት ላይ I think we had one friend right so when we came up with this just the whole payment እንትን idea we see consult ታደርጋለህ someone business ላይ ያለ ሰው because none of us business ላይ እንትን የለንም right because of experience የለንም so we talked to one friend እና he was like እኔ ድሮ ላይ አስብ ነበር ምናምን እና እንደውም ብሎ ቻፓ ነው ማስበው ብሎ ስሙ ነገር right
Oh,
yeah he's like it's still he's that guy's a board member no chapam like after that one he joined again he was someone kazale aragan so do you mind if we take
yeah,
the name ምናምን አለው like before
okay,
anything you know he said come on man ውሰዱት ምናምን አለ
yeah,
like because someone he was volunteering ምንም with nothing he didn't expect anything he was like you know take the name እግዚአብሔር ይባርካችሁ ብሎን እንትን አለን እኛም ስሙን ወስደን አላሳፈር ነው
yeah,
Yeah.
I guess yeah, yeah,
So you have a board ማለት ነው like is it a public I'm not sure እንግዲህ I'm not sure about Chapa.
yeah it's like
ኢትዮጵያ
bank
ውስጥ incorporated እንደ
it's like
ባንክ okay
very in the bank
so so
ምናምን
ባንኮች ጋይድላይን አላቸው so board members ያስፈልጓቸዋል and you have to go through these separate auditing process ምናምን ነገር
yeah it is
like you
like
have
it's bank in the bank and just the only thing is the digital bank will assume አድርገው እንደዛ ነው
okay
we have board
that's
ናሽናል ባንክ ነው እንትን የሚያደርገን ምናምን yeah it's like እንደዛ ነው እንትናችን
was the licensing process hard እንዴት ነው
it was crazy it was
oh,
crazy
It
man.
was great.
that was crazy
So who was the first digital bank በለው I guess
ይሄ
yeah,
እንትን like
payment gateway.
I think አሪፍ ፔ መሰለኝ ከኛ መጀመሪያ
አሪፍ ፔ።
ላይሰንስ አሪፍ ፔ መሰለኝ ያ
ከዛ
አሪፍ ፔ
ቀጥላችሁ እናንተ
ቀጥለኛ ግን ያው ላውንች ብገናኛ ላው ኦብቪየስሊ እኛ ላውንች መጀመሪያ
ያ የቻፓ ጆርኒ ውስጥ ከስኬሊንግ ጋር ሊሆን ይችላል ብቻ ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ አጋጠማችሁ ትልቅ ቴክኒካል ችግር ወይም ደግሞ ትልቁ ካምፓኒውን ያስጨነቀ ሁሉም ኦል ሃንድስ ኦን ዴክ አይነት ሲቹዌሽን የተፈጠረበት ጊዜዎችን ስለነሱት ነገር
I think እንዳልኩ እንትን ነው ያ ቅድም I was trying to say so I remember like when we had a conversation with one of you know our friend it was like your product behavior ማለት ነው ለአንድ ዩዘር ለ10 ዩዘር ለ100 ለ1000 ለሚሊዮን ዩዘር is different same product right and some of them until that point ላይ እስክደርስ ድረስ you don't know how they're going to act like እንዴት አድርገው አክት እንደሚያደርጉ you have no idea so እኛ when we waited for license ማለት ነው license ስንጠብቅ ብለን build ስናደርግ ነበር we be building man you know we wake up boom we build a product our
Nice.
dashboard like launch ከማድረጋችን በፊት our dashboard already 5-6 አይነት different features አሉት already so ይሄ like እንትን ምንድነው ስፕሊት ማድረግ ምናምን የጀመርነው like so like መጀመሪያ ላይ we made things like without get to the people we already made it hard yeah so just we built it in a very very በቃ different way simple and ስንፈላሰፍ ነው ቢውት እያደረግን ያለ ነው right
Yeah.
so ከዛ ይሄን እያደረግን አንድ ሙሉ version አጥፍተን like delete አድርገን ሙሉ version አጥፍተን አዲስ ከእንደገና ከስክራች ቢውልድ አድርገን ነው አሁን ያለውን ቻፓ እንትን ያለው right so like doing this it's like you know obviously everything you see it experiment አደረገዋለሁ you want to make it look good ምናምን በአንዴ ደግሞ maybe እንዳው I think open አደረግን አይደለ API ምናምን ከፈትን so everybody was engaging with it which means like you did not have a time በቃ breeze አታረግም right so yeah then እንደዚህ ያደረግን we had test users ምናምን አንዴ we hit like probably I don't know maybe a million ምናምን something requests or whatever right so it was minimum you know it was I don't know what to do with it man that's a perfect way of saying it man because until that point ማለት ነው until ያቺ point እስክትመጣ ድረስ I used to think you know በቃ anything ቢመጣ ፊክስ ማድረግ የምችል ይመስለኝ ነበር you know it's like man የፈለገ ቢሆን ምክንያቱም like ግን ያቺ 1 ሚሊዮን ምናምን ያሉት በአካይ እነሱ ስላልቻሏት ነው ምን አላለው ነገር ገባ until it እስክደርስብኝ ድረስ right so look when ያ ቦታ ሲሆን it's like I thought like somebody በቃ የሆነ hack የተደረገ ምናምን ይመስል
like this growth is unrealistic even for us
unrealistic exactly for me it was just like not a way that like you know these people are real people right
okay.
then log ምናምን
So,
yeah
a million requests still like is it like a million requests an hour no
yeah well like a million select like math request ማለት ነው
okay
yeah
math
it's
request
very
infrastructure እዛ ጋር የሰራነው infrastructure for the first time ላይ በቃ ሃንድል ማድረግ አልቻለም knowledge እዛ ሰዓት ላይ ያስቀመጥነው እንትን አላ was just too much thousands of it was thousands of እንትን here like time right so I was like we did not know what to do with it right so it's like I had a classical load balancer ነበረ ምናምን ነበረ but the problem was I think database ላይ ነበር so what I did was you know database obviously database like አንድ dedicated server ላይ እንትን አደረኩኝ so it's like that's it alrighty so that's it so we like you know and obviously transactional that like that እንትን ነበረ data ነበር የነበረን so we lean very much with MySQL መጀመሪያ ላይ trying to make things as easy possible like you know so that it easily adapt እንዲደረግ right so ያ በራሱ ይዞት የመጣው complexion and we made things ከመጀመሪያው complex like you know አይዲዎቹን UID አረግናቸው ምናምን ማአት ኢንዴክስ አረግን ምናምን so already complicated አድርገነዋል the problem right so that's it too እዛች ከሆነ when ያ ሁሉ request ሲመጣ so it was just database is one of them right so it's too early to shred ለማድረግ or just we can't use none of this cloud auto scale የሚያደርጉ ዳታ እንትኖችን so that was a problem and I thought somebody was just like hacked us man right like yeah
ይሄ ላይ የተከሰተው በቴስት ዩዘሮች ነው ወይስ when you went to market ነው
I really users ሲመጡ ማሪ አንዴ
real users okay
couple of merchants onboard አደረግንና so I think a couple of merchants onboard አደረግን then እነሱ ኢንተግሬሽን ጨረሱ apparently ጀመሩት right so the sector was maybe you know that's thing I did not know but just wake up it's like you know log በሎግ አለው እና error log ማለት ነው like
yeah
panic በቃ ምንድን ነው happen ያደረገው ከዛ ያው you just come up with I like there are times even I prayed man but you know you just close your laptop you be like I don't know what to do with it just gotta help a lot of times but it did
so
it did help yeah
so volume wise እንዴት አደጋችሁ like financially speaking ማለት ነው እንደ on transactions like the normal hits to the API አለ ግን in terms of financial volume ምን ይመስል ነበር like how was the growth መጀመሪያ ከነበራችሁ እስካሁን
I mean to be honest እንደ ማንኛውም ስታርታፕ ያው ስለ የብሮክ ፌዝ ዋንም ነበረ you know it's like because ሲጀምር አንደኛ በጣም ክሬዚ ካፒታሊዝም እንትን አላልንም አልጀመርንም like you know just family friends ነው ኢንቨስት ያደረግነው ምናምን like ፐብሊክ አላልንም እኛና ኮምፒውተሮቻችን ሜቢ 2000 ምናምን 1300% ልዩነት ሳይኖረን አይቀርም it's like we started very ትንሽ እንትን so ከሱም ላይ ለብሔራዊ ባንክ ደግሞ የዛ ሰዓት ላይሰንስ ልታወጣ የሆነ ብር ታስይዛለህ right
Yeah.
ደግሞ ያው we had ኦፊስ አለን ሲልክን ቫሊን በዛ ሰዓት ላይ ኢንስፓየር ለማድረግ አሪፍ ኦፊስ ለማድረግ ነው የሞከርነው ትምህርት እንደ ሆም ፊሊንግ we used to live there as well we used to live there ምናምን እና ከላይ በቃ it was our thing እና that was not obviously እንደምታውቁት don't come cheap ምናምን so expense ነበረ ላይሰንሳችን ፕሮሰስ ሲወስድ ብር ተያዘ ያው we didn't have obviously financially a little bit issue አለ but yeah after a while yeah I mean our business is like if merchants make money you make money right
Yeah.
so it's like if and መንግስት very to be honest it's a great opportunity for us ጥሩ ነገር ብዬ እንትን የምለው መንግስት force this digital transaction things ይሄ በቴሌ ብር በምናምን ሰው ወደ ዲጂታል እንትን ማድረጉ blessing on top of blessing man እግዚአብሔር በቃ ቴሌ ብር ምናምን ሲባል it's like people we say ቴሌ ብር ጋር ኮምፒት ታደርጋላችሁ no man ቴሌ ብር is our partner man like ቴሌ ብር ኒቱ ሀገሪቷ ላይ መስፋፋት አለበት ቻፓ እንዲሰራ የምፈልግ ከሆነ like yeah because the directive make it clear that like እኛ በቃ ኢኮሲስተም ነን ከማት ለምሳሌ ሞባይል ዋሌት ምናምን ቢመጡ ይምጡ ይጨመራሉ እነሱ ሞር ፒፕል ሄደው ለነሱ ለራሳቸው ሴት ዲጂታል ተጠቀም ሲሉክ ገባ ካረለ በዚህ ጋር ገቨርንመንት ዲጂታል ለማድረግ ሲስተሙን ያቀልልሃል like ምናምን whatever ይባላል then በቃ it's problem solved ገባ ካረለ I don't see why people are fighting this you don't have to fight it ገባ and even more payment gateway ቢመጣ ራሱ ዳኛ ለምሳሌ maybe 5 ሚሊዮን ምናምን ኢንዲዩዘር ላይ ነው ታፕ ያደረግነው like how many people do we have so like at the end of the day ቢት ማድረግ ያለበት ኮምፒት ማድረግ ያለበት በፕሮዳክት ነው so አሁን ያለንበት ፌዝ ላይ let everybody do their part like እንትን ያሉ people like ቴሌብር እናንተ ቴሌብርን ቢት አድርጋችሁ ነው ያላለ we don't need to be one another man
yeah
so just let them እነሱ የቴሌብር መምጣት ላይ ኢኮሲስተሙ በደንብ አድርጎ እንትን አድርጎ የራሱን አስተዋጽኦ
and I guess one of the like one of the first things like ላይሰንሱን ካገኛችሁ በፊት ይሁን በኋላ አላውቅም ግን one of the first thing you guys did was የአባይ እንትን like ገንዘብ ኮሌክት ማድረጊያ የሰራችሁ was that after that or did you actually what were your thoughts on that like in the marketing I think that's the first kind of marketing thing you guys did
yeah so
how was the process of that
ላይሰንስ ለማግኘታችን so ያው ላይሰንስ ለማግኘት አዲስ ስለነበረ እንትኑ ገና ፊልዱ ብሔራዊ ባንክ I think they got a lot of applications ምናምን እና ብዙ እንትኖች then obviously there is a process እና እኛ ደግሞ እንዳልኳችሁ ባንዴ በርቸስቸስ ብለን ምናምን ቶሎ የሚያልቅ መስሎን እየጠበቅን ነበር but like things were not going as planned right so ያንን ፊገር አውት እያደረግን we started talking to people ምናምን እንዳልኩ like there is my partner Nail has a gift like just very የሰው ሞዴል ምናምን ያለው ሰው that's what it is so it's like maybe having like a lot of people over ምናምን so one of the person that we had the opportunity to talk was one person for this advisor and what's the problem like instead of እቺ የድሮ ላይ የፕሮዳክት ሎጂክ አለች አይደለ instead of ሰው የሚፈልገውን ምናምን ፕሮብለም ጠይቀ ፊክስ አድርገን instead of the other way around ምናምን so what's the problem what problem do you guys have እኛ ሄደን የዛ ሰዓት ላይ ፔመንት ጌትዌይ ምናምን ማለት ቤዚክሊ it's like ለሰው ልጅ የተወሳሰበ አሁን ኳንተም ፊዚክስ ምናምን ፊክስድ ኦርቶዶንቲክ አፕላያንስ ምናምን ብሎ እንደማውራት ነው people don't understand it like like what's your problem like I'm going to solve your problem right so the problem was collecting money ነበረ so collecting funds from diaspora is a ሰዓት ላይ ሰው አንደኛ ኢንኮንቪኒየንስ አለው ምናምን አለው ግን obviously ያው ዲጂታል ፔመንት ግን ዓለም የሆነ ቦታ ደርሳ ነበር so that was a problem ሲለን okay then for አይማ በቃ የዛ ሰዓት ላይ አንችልም ማለት we can't የለንም ማለት we can't because license ስጡን ብቁነን እያልን ያለ ነው so we have to prove ourselves just we have to hustle ቺማ ቀላል ነች ብለን we have to make it happen by hook or crook. And I think the first one was Migrant. I think we did Migrant. I think Migrant, he came to our office like Arab meta መሰለኝ, then we gave him a prototype or MVP on Maximo or whatever. Okay,
Wow.
Migrant ከዛ ሰራን ምናምን ናው ፔመንት ኮሌክት ማድረግ ያስፈልገናል ራይት ኢንተርናሽናል ካርድ ማለት ነው ቢካዝ ከዲያስፖራው ስቲል ኦንላይን አድርገው ካሽ ኦን ዴሊቨሪ ካልክ ምን ሶልቭ አደረገው most of the time halfway solve የተደረገ ፕሮብለም ይዘን መተን አይደለ ብራግ የምናደርገው it's a wrong thing most of people አይተው ከሆነ ፕሮብለሙን half ይሰሩትና they expect it to work like it's full but it's not so it's like now we could have to collect payment so is that license የለንም so we can't collect payment right
Yeah.
So we reached out to Flutterwave, and now our friend, the CEO was a close friend, and now reached out to them. Okay, you guys want to work? Ethiopia ga, opportunity allen. Suru muna nacho. He was like, okay, then integrate again, launched it, launch again, migrated. I think it's like kulamatoshi so matoshi akabi race yaraga. Okay. I think that was the first time we እንደዚህ በኢትዮጵያ ላይ ገቨርንመንት ሲያደርጉ 200 ሺህ ወደ 100 ሺህ አደረገ like okay that was yes ተባለ ከዛ ቀጥሎ we did eyes on Ethiopia as well same principle for different cause ምናምን it helped it's like that showed everybody especially እነኚህ እንትን ላይ ምንድነው the governing body ላይ ምናምን ያሉትን authorities ቴክኖሎጂ ፊንቴክ ምን ያህል ፖቴንሻል እንዳለው like ማሳየት ችሏል ነገር actually first hand ማለት ነው like gateway API አርጌ ምናምን check out ምናምን it just people don't understand it like yes cuz ያለ ሀገሪቷ ላይ ዶላር አምጥቻለሁ ይስቀላል ነገርና we did with banks ሁለተኛው ላይ የመጀመሪያው ያው ሲስተሙ like አልነበረም ነበር ሁለተኛ ላይ ከንግድ ባንክ አርገን ሰራን ከላይዞን ኢትዮጵያ it's a really amazing platform. I mean, movement as well. It's globally, like I think millions of dollars in over raised darago with Ethiopia and Bank Karaga Makalaka. Then that was before Chapa. Let Chapa Mangari get a record never judge in the
Yeah, that was
አሪፍ ስትራቴጂ ነበረ showing impact then በጣም አሪፍ ስትራቴጂ ነበረ and the thing you said yeah the thing you said about like maybe people don't understand what a digital payment gateway is or quantum physics or something complicated ነገሮች ናቸው in fact እኔ የሚያየሁት ነገር ነው like በፋይዳ ዲጂታል አይዲ ለምንድን like ቀበሌ መታወቂያ አለኝ ለምንድን ነው like why do I care ምናምን like fingerprint why ምናምን የሚል ነገር so it's very important to let people to really እና የቴሌ መስፋፋት ሪሊ መርዳቱን አላቅም ነበር አሁን ነው የገባኝ I guess I understand ለምን እንደሆነ I think I understand now that's very
guys ቴሌ ታፕ የሚያደርገውን እንትን ታፕ አታደርግም right
exactly
so it's good I mean our problem as human beings ምን እንደሆነ ታውቃለህ ሁሉም ኮምፒቲሽናችን ይመስለናል
no
it's like it's very wrong mentality like let alone let alone ቻፓ እና ቴሌብር ምናምን ቻፓ እና any and ራሱ ቻፓ እንትን ጋር ያለ ጋር ኮምፒቲሽን ሊሆን አይችልም like compete አታረግም because በቃ competition is just a last thing you should worry about like you have millions መቶ ምናምን ሚሊዮን ህዝብ ኖሮክ like ከዛ በኋላ የሆነች 5 ሚሊዮን ወይ 2 ሚሊዮን ከስተመር ይዘህ ኮምፒት ታደርጋለህ ገባ that's not ትክክለኛ like ኢንስት ብዙን ከቨር ማድረግ ነው ያለው ብዙ ከቨር ለማድረግ ደግሞ አችልም በቃ it's like አይሰራም ቲዮሪም ስለማይሰራ የሆነ ሰው መምጣቱ አይቀርም ምሳሌ የሆነ አንድ ካምፓኒ መጥቶ ኢንተርፕራይዞችን ይወስዳል ስታርታፕ ነው ብታየው ኢንተርናሽናል ብታይ ስትራይፕ አለ ምናምን ስኩዌር አለ አሉ like ነው አሰራ ማለት ከን መኖሩ አይቀርም እና on the other side ደግሞ ስትራይፕ ካርድ ስኪም ባይኖር ኖሮ ስትራይፕ አይሆንም right same way ኢትዮጵያም ላይ ደግሞ ካርድ አለፍ ነው ሊፕፍሮግ አድርገነዋል so now we're in mobile wallet era ስለዚህ ያ like infrastructure ቻፓ ኢንፍራስትራክቸር አለ ቢልድ የሚያደርገው ለንት so ቻፓ ደግሞ ኢንፍራስትራክቸር ቢልድ የሚያደርግበት ሌላ ኢንፍራስትራክቸር ቢልድ መደረግ አለበት ያ ደግሞ ለኢትዮጵያ ሞባይል ማኒ and ቴሌ በራሱ ያ ቴሌ ብር specifically they've done really well.
Awesome.
Plus, I think product wise, to be honest, I mean, I have to big ups, like, you know, the sort of product wise ላይ በጣም ጥሩ specifically ቴሌብር ላይ ባለን but I'm really happy like really
Yeah,
it's
እኔም በጣም impressive ነው።
it's very good. We don't see እንግዲህ ብዙ ፌለር ሬቶች እናያለን ምናምን ሌሎች ላይ like
ቴሌብር ላይ ስሙዝ
very smooth like እንደ ማንኛውም like any system ከስንት አንድ የምታየው ነገር ሊኖር ይችላል nothing is perfect obviously ከዛ ውጭ ግን ኮምፕሊመንታሪ ይመጫቸው to be honest.
Yeah. So do you have a question, Fran?
No, go on.
It's fine. That's
Okay.
great. I think I have a couple of minutes.
Okay. So እኔ መጠየቅ የፈለኩት actually so Chapa is obviously like ብዙ financial data ነው manage የሚያደርገው እና I mean how do you handle the security or the like እንዴት ነው handle የምታደርጉት ይሄንን huge responsibility like what do you how do you approach this problem? አሁን እኔ ሶሻል ሚዲያ አፕሊኬሽን ልስራ ብል you know okay እሱም ትንሽ እንትን ያስፈልገዋል ፕራይቬሲ ምናምን ግን እንደ ፋይናንሻል ዳታ አይሆንም።
You know, so many times, a lot of times አሁን ያልከውን ብያውቃለሁ a lot of times ምን አገባንና ነው እዚህ ጋር የምንጨናነቀው because you care about አንድ ሳንቲም አይደለ like አንድ ሳንቲም ከተና ሶሻል ሚዲያ ቢሆን በቃ ቢበዛ የሆነ ካፕሎች ቢጣሉ ነው አላክሽልኝም ከድኛል የሆነ ነገር ማለት ነው you know it's okay እሱም ለነሱ ከተባባሉ ፈጣሪ መልሶ ያገናኛቸዋል is nothing on you man but I mean እዚህ ጋር it's like it's crazy I think in time ምን መሰለ የተማርነው ነገር መጀመሪያ as a foundation የሰራነው ነገር like reconcile የሚያደርግ ሶፍትዌር ነው so anytime like when we think something is wrong the first thing we do is like reconciliation ነው run የምናደርገው so with that reconciliation we see numbers we see what's going on and obviously every time we have immutable የሆነ ዳታ አለን ምንም አይነት ማንቀየረው ማኒፕሌት ማናረገው then ከዛ ዳታ ጋር እናመሳከረዋለን so the business can stay በዚህ መንገድ so ከዛ ውጪ obviously like databaseአችን ምናምን we don't put them in no public network ላይ their private network ላይ ናቸው cache same thing private network ላይ እንቀመጡ እናስቀምጠው I think አሁን ላይ እንትን ያደረግናቸው አሁን ላይ approach እየተከተልን ያለ ነው ያው one thing at scale understand ያደረግነው ነገር it's even some mathematical computation like ለምሳሌ you know simple like you know addition ምናምን ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ with some computations are double ሲሆን እና like integer ሲሆን the type performance like ያያቸው እንትኖች ያየናቸው ለውጦች አሉና ከነሱ አንፃር ያው እነኚህን አይነት ቼንጆች ስታደርግ you can't just change it I'm say you had double ነበር ምናምን አማውንትን ደብል አድርገን እንጠቀማለን now we think yes performance ላይ ይሻለው then if we plan to serve more million users ይሄንን እንቀይረው ካለን we can't change it you have to plan like for 6 months because money is going on right this is the thing good I think you don't have የሆነ እንትን የለህም ማኑዋል ቡክ ምናምን የለህም ገባ ፊንቴክ ነው ምናምን የለውም በቃ just ገብተህ እሳቱ እየነደደ you learn something that's how you do it it's not how you የሆነ ማኑዋል ቡክ ኖሮን ምናምን እንደዚህ ሲሆን እንደዚህ አድርጉ ምናምን ራን ቡክ ምናምን የለንም
okay
you don't have nothing like that ምሳሌ data security you just have to bruise it በቃ መተንፈስ አለብህ I still to this day I have a PTSD ከስላክ notification because ኤረራችንን በስላክ notification እንትን ብለን so ስላክ notification እስካሁን ስሰማ ኤረር ያለን ይመስለኝ right so I don't use Slack at all like when look ቻፓ ላይ one of the transformation we did was ከስላክ ወደ ሌላ ሜሴጂንግ ቻናል ነው shift ያደረግነው because because like we given us like most of us right that on trauma. So like seriously, you go through some sort of mental like difficult situation but it's very stressful, very depressing. It's very like it's not something good. It's worth it. It's like as I let it tell, that's how it's supposed to be, right? Because
If it was easy, everyone would do it.
everything would have done
So
it, right? Exactly. Everyone would have done it. ያንን ሳስበው የዛ ሰዓት ላይ ምን ይህን ብትላለው ብትለኝ no. So many times I wanted to quit, man. So many times. It's just nah, because this is not ምን ቦታ ትላለህ, right? It's like my partner is very resilient, very. Like, so many times I mean, I might code, I might solve problems, but like, if you're honestly asking me, yeah, it's like, it's his resilience, like, got us through different stages. So that by itself, it's something that I learned, like, building Chapa, aside from technical ነገር አይደለም አንድ company እንትን የሚያደርግ technical is good, it's good, like, ከእናንተ ጋር ስናወራ ምናምን ጥሩ ነገር ቢውልድ ካረ ስላደረግን you just guys say like compliment ምናምን እንደራረጋለን, but what makes the business actually sustain different እንትን ላይ it's what type of business decisions you make ነው, right? Like that the type of business decisions you make ደግሞ it's very crazy, like on the spot ነው ቴስት የምትደረገው ምናምን, right? And not it's very that's something like most people ምን ያስባሉ just because they know how to write codes ምናምን ኮምፒውተር ላይ ጥሩ ስለሆኑ they think በቃ they gonna be ቢዝነሳቸውን ከዜሮ ይዘውት $1 billion ቢዝነስ ቢልድ የሚያደርጉ ይመስላል, just because you smart ወይም genius ምናምን. It's not that. That's not the formula, like to build $1 billion business. It's not like, yeah, it's good to be genius, but like there is የራሱ የሆነ እንትን አለው, and that is like just working in systems ከሰው ልጅ የመጣ ነገር ነው. So you need to find that person first. If you're that person, yes, good, but if you think you're that person እና ደግሞ technically ካል very rare ነው, very በጣም
ሁለቱም ያለው
በጣም rare ነው. ግን ያው ከቻልክ it's amazing. Again, it's weird, and yeah, that's one of the things, like for us, got us through time and Denton. The Chapa is yeah.
Like I guess one question I have is like okay, እስካሁን እንዳለ የቻፓን ጆርኒ አይተናል። ሶ እና አሁን currently እየሰራችሁበት ያለው feature or some kind of new thing happening in Japa, what's the most exciting part of your job at being or do you guys still consider yourself a startup? Because I think አልፋችሁታል ማለት ይችላሉ. I guess one of the biggest struggles, I guess you're in somewhere between startup and enterprise, or the next stage would be. But yeah, what's like the thing you're most excited about? What's the most exciting part of your job of being like the CTO? Or what new thing are you guys working on?
Well, I mean, to be honest, like Chapa was like, for me, it's one of the biggest learning, like I don't know, learning school curve ምናምን anything, live period ምናምን በቃ any word የምትጠቀመው that was Chapa for me. It's and if you ask me what is like one of the best thing of me being a CTO specifically Chapa ጋር ሲመጣ, I think it's ድሮም ላይ እንትን ነበር. Chapa before even I start becoming Chapa ከመሆኑ በፊት profitable. We had amazing people ምናምን, the team was just something. Because the team is what actually got me woke up in the morning and work. When things were not like seems like working. When you think when you see things working, obviously motivation አለ. ይሄን ሳታየው ነው ችግሩ. ይሄንን ደግሞ ይሄንን እንትን ታረግ ደግሞ የሚያደርግ it's like the team ነው. The team guy ያለው energy was amazing, right? So for me to be a CTO is like to be like with this people and to be able to build this company, we have maybe 60 ምናምን like staffዎች አሉን,
Wow.
building or 50 ምናምን, I'm not sure if building ይሄንን እንደዚህ አይነት company and having so many people በአካል work like making an impact, love it, majority like ደስ ብሎት ስራ አስጠልቶት ሳይሆን purpose, because መስራት አለብን በቃ እኛ like መስራት, because environment, the reason I love physics is because of physics አስተማሪ ጥሩ ስለነበረ. If my physics teacher was like a dork ቢሆን ኖሮ physics አልወድም ነበር, right? So it's like 1 + 1 2, right? So Chapa, when on the other side, like, it's a good workplace, like it's a home feeling. So for these people to wake up in the morning and come make an impact, build company ሌላ ደረጃ አድርሰው እነሱም satisfied ሆነው የሚሄዱበትን environment create ማድረግ, right? And seeing so many guys is like I'm seeing so many people Chapa like internal ነው የጀመሩ, fresh ሆነው with maybe like confidence የሌላቸው ሊሆን ይችላል, self esteem but seeing them like being a kick-ass problem solvers, leaders ምናምን that's something like you just feel like it's satisfying. For me, like if you like Chapa ጋር ምንድን ነው የሚያስደስት ብለህ ብትለኝ seeing that just makes me like I'm like we seeing people around you impactun ስታይና the heart, because I think ለራስህ የሆነ ነገር መሆን አይቀርም, right? የፈለከው ቢሆን, but like the hard thing is like can you like positively impact others, influence others like positively, like negatively impact ማድረግ it's very easy, right? But positively ማድረግ ግን you have to live it ነገርና the hustling ምናምን grind ማድረግን when living it together and building Chapa and seeing everybody like ownership feeling ኖሯቸው ምናምን ነገር Chapa እንትን ሲያደርጉት I feel like I'm good on like, and it just that's it for me. So it's a team by itself, it's a prize.
So there is like a Chapa mafia forming, just like the PayPal mafia and stuff.
I think so, man.
So
I think so.
like yeah,
it's
all
like
of them
this.
are going.
አሁን እንደ ቻፓ ስታስበው ማለት ነው ቻፓ like it's like ግሎባላይዜሽን ውጤት ነገር ነው። ራይት የሆነ ቦታ ላይ ፔመንት ጌትዌይ ያለ ዴን ይዘው ትመጣና ሎካላይዝ ታደርገውና የሎካል ፕሮብለም ሶልቭ ታደርግበታለህ። ራይት ሶ የሆነ ሎካል ሶልቭ ስታደርገው ሜኒ ቲንግስ ሎካል እንደ ሀገርኛ አክት ያደርጋሉ፣ እንደ ሀገርኛ ፊክስ ታደርጋቸዋለህ። ዴን that what makes you winner, right? aside from ሌሎችም ነገሮች ጨማምራቸው ማለት ነው, which is one of the recipe ነች። so like in build ስታደርግ like what you gotta make sure is ማለት ነው you need to have people ይሄንን ነገር ተቀበለው ሌላ ቦታ የሚያደርሱልህ ሰዎች። alright, so you gotta make sure the same way product mature እንደሚያደርገው ቲምክን mature ማድረግ መቻል አለበት። alright, so which is ቻፓ ማፊያ የሚባለው የሚመጣው እዛ ጋር ነው። right, like አንተ ብቻህን እንደ አንድ እንትን እንደ ሀመሯ እንትን ካርክ that's not gross, right? like it doesn't matter like በቃ ሩም ውስጥ ሲል every time ሚቲንግ ላይ ጆይን ስታደርግ አንተ ብቻ ከሆንክ ጂኒየሱ የመጀመሪያ ቀን ጂኒየስ ልትሆን ትችላለህ, right? because that might be your idea. alright, but next day again you gotta make sure like everybody around you is genius. Then that's how you know it, like you have chapas more than. So if you ask me, are we gonna have a lot of chapa mafia people? For sure.
Okay.
Because every time meeting like sigaba, like like these people are getting smarter and smarter, man.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean look at Kaduse. I mean Kaduse is like one of the amazing.
Yeah, it's just
it's just genius. I think you're probably gonna see even Chapa like Chapa to the next level matters so man no like is it you or next meta generation or see Google, see Facebook, see thriller companies. Alright, not the founders are like company now and the guy matters so that you need to have visionary, like you don't need to be egoistic person feeling like let a company ማቆም ምናምን እኔ ነኝ ወደ ተባለልን ምድር ማስገባት ምናምን ማለት አይጠበቅም። when you have to let it go, you have to let it go. And so Chapan, if you ask me like Chapan the next level man የሚያደርሰው ብለህ ካልከኝ it's this people, it's the team that we got going on. So Chapa Mafia በራሳቸውም ላይ በራሱም ላይ like ሌላ $1 billion company build የሚያደርግ amazing people እናያለን። Also Chapan to the next level የሚወስድ amazing people እናያለን።
Yeah.
Okay, that's right.
So
Happier.
so before we end it, like a couple of short questions. And then
Gotcha.
የመጀመሪያው is what's in store for Chapa? What's in the future? What's in the future of Chapa, I guess. And now what's in store for you? ምንድን ነው
Okay.
የሚመስለው your future? Yeah.
No, what's next for Chapa? Chapa now we are we rebuilding Chapa again. We are doing experimenting a lot of things. Very time near time soon. Announcement አደረጋቸው ብዙ ነገሮች አሉ ቻፓ ላይ we are AI በጣም ለመጠቀም like እየሞከርን ነው like when I say AI ለመጠቀም ነው ለምሳሌ ኢንተርኔት ሲመጣ some people ለቡክ ስቶራቸው ዌብሳይት ሰርተዋል some people ኢንተርኔትን ቡክ ስቶራቸው አድርገውታል right so አማዞን ኢንተርኔትን ቡክ ስቶር ስላደረገው ኢንተርኔት ላይ ስኬል አደረገ ለኢንተርኔታቸው ለቡክ ስቶራቸው ዌብሳይት የሰሩ ግን ሜቢ ከስተመር ነው እንጂ ያደረጉት ሱቃቸው ሊሚት እስካደረገ ድረስ ሊሚት አድርጓል that's it business done so we don't want to be the other one when it comes to AI we want to actually AI ላይ ለማድረግ so for that demo we are refining our systems ምናምን that's where Chapa is going a lot of AI things a lot of new product very time expect አድርጉ yeah and for me obviously Chapa is Chapa and I'm experimenting more about like human brains hurt manamin it's this AI I've been obsessed with like I think I've been obsessed with how human brains work like that's how more working like more experimenting how can we understand that because building Chapa I went different the emotional roller coaster I would say it's every type of mental thing you might be thinking out there I went through it and now being with technology but technology not understanding you is kind of a problem for so many people it's like because I believe if we want to change first you have to change yourself first right like this was the first thing to be changed if this is changed I think people ብዙ ነገር ፊክስ እናደርጋለን ይሄኛው አንዳንዴ የምትለው እኮ ሰው እንደዚህ ያስባል እንደ የምትለው ግራ ስለሚገባ ነው right like because I don't know sometimes ሰው አስገርሞ አያውቅም እንደ እንደዚህ ያስባል እንደ ምናምን ትላለህ right like that's because it's here right so and I think we have to work on that like and እንዳልኳችሁ I like to innovate I like to create build things so I'm more or less like and controlling AI ሴቭ ማድረግ የምንፈልገው ፋውንዴሽን ኦፍ ሂውመንን ካስተማር ነው right so የሰው ልጅን ወደ ቀልቡ የምትመልሰው ፐርፐዙን ስታስተምረው ነው then and that purpose I don't think it's የተደበቀ ነገር አይመስለኝም right it's like የተደበቀ the problem is ያንተን ቅድም እንዳልኩ ግን አሁን የኔ ኦሬንጅ አለ ያንተ አፕል አለ የኔን ኦሬንጅ ካንተ አፕል እያደረኩኝ ያንተን አፕል ሳወዳደር is two different things right it just የራሴን ኦሬንጅ ወይ ምናምን አፕል በልቼ ከዚህ ማገኘውን አግኝቼ ያችን እንዴት እንዳገኘ ፊገር አውት እንደማድረግ ያንተን ሳይ ማይንም ይበላሻል ያንተንም ላይ አላቆም so ግን what we have is like everything is እኛ እጃችን ላይ ያለው it's በቂ በራሳችን right like so which is foundation of human ምናምን ይሄ reality ምናምን እንለው ነገር እኛ ውስጥ ያለ ነገር ነው so but through time ሰው ልጅ ራሱን ይሄንን ለምሳሌ በዲፈረንት addiction ብትል the way we hack our system no right so we hack our system so now I'm like we're trying to find where is this piece of information is located like what makes like humans naga and how can we align human beings back to their maybe purpose ምናምን እንደዛ አይነት ነገር so this is like the final very goal of it but like we're experimenting in human brains that's what we're working
that's very interesting and I guess በሌላ ጊዜ በሰፊው እናወራለን
sure definitely
maybe yeah Raul if you have any other questions
Nope, I don't have any questions. Yeah, thanks for being here, Easy, Israel.
No problem.
Yeah,
I know
Guys,
you're very
yeah.
busy now, but thank you.
it's fine, man. It's fine. I
Like it's
think, yeah, at the end of the day, የምታውቀውን ነገር share ማድረግ is the best thing. So yeah, I
Yeah.
appreciate y'all, man, for taking time, for having me, ምናምን.
Yeah. It's our pleasure.
Yeah, keep winning.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah.
Yes.
See you next.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.